friends, welcome back. My name is Christine and we are going to be doing another seed saving project today. All of my little radish pods are all completely dry, well, about 99% dry. We're going to take the time, probably a good hour or so out of my day, and open them up and grab all those seeds out of there. And I just thought I'd show you, so come on with. So I just wanted to show you, so I do have some more radish here next to my basil plant, and I just wanted to show you how the pods actually form on here. So these I'm gonna let dry out as well and hopefully get some more seeds from them. This one's not really doing anything over here, but you can definitely see there's the pod there, there's a pod here, and what have you. So there you go. Okay, so I'm just drinking some coffee this morning and getting a few things done. So I have my pods here. These are from my radish plant, and I've already kind of started, and I put it in the white bowl so you can actually see the seeds. So what I'm doing is, so these are super, super dry, and I grabbed a little paring knife too in case I have problems opening any up. But I am just basically taking my fingernails and breaking them open, and they're kind of spongy. So I'm kind of trying to break them in half. And what you'll see is the seeds right inside. And so I'm trying to do some more seed saving. If you saw my other video of saving the dill seeds, and they actually come out really nice and easy. So I'm just kind of scraping that last one. And then what I'm doing is I'm actually saving the little bits and pieces after the seeds are out, and I'm gonna put that in my compost, which I did another video on that as well. So I'm just gonna be doing this for a little bit. I just thought I'd show you. I've got quite a few in here. I did notice that some were really, really dried up and like flat and not looking so good. So I will open these up. Oh, this one just opened. So let's see if there's anything really inside. Yeah, see, this is where I would need my little knife. And please be careful if you're using a knife. I do see one seed in here. I don't know. There's a couple. Okay, well, there's a couple in there. So we'll see what happens. And like I said, I'm just putting it in my little jar here, and then I'm going to put it in my compost. So I will speed this up for you and do a few here for you. You can really see on this one how it's like encased. I don't know if you can see that. So there we go, it just popped out. Okay, this one's really firm. I can't really do anything, and you'll be able to tell, like maybe there's nothing inside, but I'm gonna chop into this one as well. Oh, and I see a seed right on the top here. I just can't break it with my fingernails though. There's a seed. And there they are. So I'm going to continue with this, but I just wanted to show you. So these are the radishes that these are the seeds from, and these say you can sell by the end of this year. And I just thought, you know, I had a really good crop, so I am really excited about actually saving the seeds from this. And if you saw my other video, I had talked about I saved my dill seeds, and I actually found at my local Hobby Lobby these cute little bags. And so for the holidays, I'm going to write on them with like a cute marker or something, and they're actually just little mini where you fold the bags, and then I have little mini clips like this that I thought would be cute, and then maybe hang like a little decoration or something off of the bags. So that's my idea. That's my whole purpose of doing this. I do have plenty of radish seeds, and I'm going to take these and probably vacuum seal them soon. And then these I will be giving as gifts because these are the ones that I actually grew myself. So that's my thinking. I am thinking ahead for the holidays. I know I've said before that it's so early to think about the holidays, but then again, it's not. I've started my crochet projects already, etc. So I will be doing a video on that as well. So you can definitely see the difference between the seeds that are dry versus the ones that are not. These are kind of real puffy and not flattened out. So we'll see how many more of those that we find. So this one, I don't know if you can see it. It actually looks kind of green. I think I dropped one in here. And you know, you can be as precise as you want. I'm obviously being a little precise because I am giving these as gifts. So if my family's watching, this is what you're getting. Another year of homemade gifts. Which, you know, who doesn't love a homemade gift? Said that before, and I am excited for the holidays. What about you guys? Are you doing any homemade things? I mean, I guess this isn't really homemade, but then again it is. I mean, we took the time to plant the one seed, and then at least, I don't know, I'm looking at some of these pods and I've seen maybe up to 6 seeds afterwards. So this one's really dry. I'll be interested if there's anything inside this one. Yeah, there's nothing inside this one. This one's too dry. It's kind of that sweet point. I've had these hanging around for a while. My husband kept asking, what are you gonna do with those pods? What are you gonna do with those radish pods? And I'm like, I gotta let them dry out. So they're finally to the point. I had them on the side of the house. They did get a dousing of rain on them, but I got them peeled off the branches in time to not get soaked twice. So they've been hanging around in the box, which you'll probably see in a couple of the videos, but I was really happy with our little harvest in our urban little deck garden. And here's another one that kind of looks green. So I'm gonna kibosh that one. So I'm just gonna keep going, and then I'll show you at the end how many seeds I gathered. Okay, I'm down to my last few. I saved some of these big ones so I can literally show you what it looks like inside. So I just tried to peel it perfectly in half. I'm actually gonna save that one off to the side and just show you how many seeds actually are in this. So I'm gonna take this one, and I'm really happy with the amount of seeds I got out of here. So I've just, like I said, I kind of saved these big ones just to show you, and I'm just splitting them in half the best I can and dumping them in. So there's 4 seeds, 5 and 6. Yeah, so in some of these bigger ones, there's actually, let's see, like that big, at least 6 different seeds. So that is awesome. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I just thought I'd finish these last ones up on camera and show you. So it took, I don't know, it took about an hour or so to do all of these. And I just turned on a podcast and turned on, I don't know, my Crime Junkie or Park Predator or what have you, and did my devotion, my first 5 devotion. Oh, this one's kind of interesting looking too. You can literally just see all the different pockets. So saving that. And yeah, so what are you guys seed saving these days? This one looks really good. I'm loving this. I'm feeling productive. I'm feeling like I am really contributing to society by saving the seeds that I grew. That's the biggest thing. I might not have gotten, you know, a million different radishes this year, but look at what we did. We get the seed saving alone is worth it. So as you saw in the little clip before, I still have a few more that are going to be drying out, whether my husband likes it or not, huh? And it isn't as hard as I thought. It's definitely a little more time consuming. Ooh, this one looks really good too. Time consuming than the dill, but I don't know, it just, you feel accomplished when you see this. And I'm just doing the best I can for picking out the little nubs of things, and I'll be excited to see what my family thinks. Ooh, this is like a perfect little pod. Let's see what's inside here. Yeah, that's a good one. Oops. So that's the other thing, you know, some of the seeds go flying. So I do like, I probably could have done it on a paper plate, but I think a white paper towel, white bowl, so you can really see what's happening in there. So just splitting in half and dumping them basically. I'm down to the last few. The smaller ones did get a little tedious, so I just have like little spindly ones left. So those will go right in my compost. And once you get the hang of it, there's no stopping you. And just having a little paring knife out for those ones that kind of stick a little bit works well. This one's a little skinny one, but there's still seeds inside. Okay, all right, now we're down to the fat ones here. So these are a little bit clearer, whiter seeds. But I had showed you, I really liked these radishes that we grew. These were from Seeds of Change, and the cherry radishes. I'm going to do a little different next year and plant them in different areas. I'm going to keep the above deck stuff to for my herbs, which I think I found. Oh yeah, look at this one. That one's such a good one. Wow. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Probably if I peel this last part off. No, there's 6. I thought there might be the 7th one in there. And then if you can't get them out, just kind of open it up wider and use your fingernails and scrape it out. All right, here we go. Last part, last one, I should say. I did have a couple that were too wet inside that I did not want to put by the other seeds. So you kind of saw that. I'm going to see if you can see that. So I just have these handful here that maybe will dry out a little bit. I set a timer And that's just a little tiny one. And then, so just to show you too what this one, it looks like, for lack of better, like a vanilla bean. Like it's really like shrunken. So I probably won't do anything with that, but then the other one that I showed you is there too. So what do you think? I got quite a few seeds out of those pods. I'm super happy. I'm just picking out the little white stuff in here. And I'm going to get these divvied up once the holidays get a little bit closer. And otherwise for now, I'm going to grab an envelope, write the date on them and what it is, and wait for the holidays. Okay, I'm just gonna put my seed stuff in my compost bin. Hey friends, I finally completed that project. So I have all my little cherry radish seeds all put away, and that's what they will look like. And they're organic, and I'm just so happy with how it turned out. So I bought those little sacks that I'm going to be putting them in for the holidays. So family, if you're watching, I expect you to grow radishes. So thanks for stopping by. Let me know in the comments below if you have any other tips or tricks, but I think I got it down. I think I got this seed saving down, at least for 2 of the things. So I'll link my other video, my dill seed saving video, so you can take a look at that. So if you like videos like this, hit that like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time on Christine's Routines. Take care and God bless. I filmed that all with the camera, with the microphone backwards. And it just is one of those things that, what am I looking for? What's the word? Satisfying. There we go. Maybe that's the word. Start over. And it's pretty detailed, and it is a little time consuming, but hey, you only live once, right? Well, that doesn't make sense. That blah, 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 blah. So I'll do a detailed video here coming up. Stay tuned. No!